So right now my Uhans Max 2 is in a TWRP boot, loop, and so this is what I did to fix this problem. You go into SB Flasher and you want to select Format All, Download. In the recovery, you want to select the custom recovery, the second line, and then for the boot, you want to select the XN boot. So now it's all ready to go. And those files you can just download really easy. Just let's select download. Oh, it's loading. Let's see that it's loading here. Sorry, it's going to take forever. But I went on the internet and I went all around and I was looking for the best solution. I tried going into ADB, tried doing that method, and that didn't work. And so now I'm doing this. And this seems to be the best way to do it. And then with regards to the rooting part, you simply just download magisk 17.4, and then you just copy it right into your download folder. And then when you go into recovery, obviously, which we could do later. Let's see if this will work. Of course, I went on the internet. I was on YouTube and I was checking out some other guy's instruction video, and they said to use PDAnet, and I installed PDAnet, and I'm telling you, I don't know, it just doesn't work. So almost done here. And then I tried ADB fast boot, flashing the XN boot, and also the recovery, and that didn't work either for some reason. These Chinese phones are a little bit different. Scatter file. Almost done. And okay. There we go. Go into here. Just unplug. Simply turn it on, press and hold. Oh, now it's loading. And of course, you want to go into developer mode. First start up. There we go. Loading. The first time always takes a while. That's okay. As long as it's going to work. There we go. Started. Here, I'll just set up my. Oops. This part, I'll just skip that. Put in the right password here. Secure. Okay. If you want to log in, you can. But I usually do. One sec here. Let's skip this step for now. It's for this video. Next. Okay. Go. Skip. Skip anyways. Set up later. Okay, finally. Oh, we're in. First, you want to go into settings. I've done this a million times. About phone. Build number. Developer. Go into developer options. Want to go into OEM unlocking. Enable. Go into debug. Okay. I should just do that one too. And you go up to security, and then you select unknown sources because you want to be able to install the necessary app. Okay. Next, you want to connect it to the computer again. Okay, just one sec here. Okay. And of course, it will ask you for if you want to connect it, and you say yes. And then I just go down here, and then you select charging to transfer files, right, like so. Oh, okay. And then in your computer, you literally go to your file folder, wherever your magisk 17.4. So select that one, copy, and then go into your Max folder, and you go into download, and then you copy, and then you paste it. Okay. Now, what I usually do is go into here, and then I go ADB recovery, as you can see. Oops. Okay, now it's gonna go into recovery mode. Let's give it a sec. Okay, come to this screen, and basically you want to select English if you're, or whatever language you choose. So select English. Okay, and then where it says install, go to the folder you downloaded the magisk to, select that one, and let it install. Okay, it's done. Boot. and then your phone should be rooted. Just download a root checker and then good to go. All right. Yeah. And thanks for watching.